Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your investment strategy with TD Ameritrade, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TD Ameritrade account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Research and Ideas section from the main menu. Select the Investing Goals option to assess your current investment objectives. Review the questions related to your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Adjust your answers based on your current financial situation and goals. Click Save to update your investment profile. Next, move to the Portfolio section to review your existing investments. Analyze the performance of each asset against your goals. Identify any underperforming investments that may require adjustment. Consider reallocating funds from these assets to more promising options. Use the screener tool to research new investment opportunities. Apply filters based on your revised investment strategy and risk profile. Review the recommended investments carefully. Once you have identified potential assets, add them to your watch list. Proceed to the trade section to execute any buy or sell orders as needed. Ensure that you review fees and commissions associated with each. After executing trades, monitor the impact on your portfolio performance regularly. Revisit your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with any changes in your financial situation. Take advantage of TD Ameritrade's educational resources to stay informed on market trends and investment strategies. Check for any updates and investment tools that TD Ameritrade offers to enhance your strategy further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.